Today we're looking at the Traxxas LaTrax radio control little trucks here. I picked up two of these, one for me, one for my son, so we can play with them together. They were 150 bucks each. They are 1/18 scale, four-wheel drive monster trucks. They've got everything. They're ready to run. So we're actually gonna get one of these. We're gonna get both of them opened up, get them charged, and we'll take them out for a spin in a little bit. But I've been stuck in the house for a long time, and I needed to get out of the house. Went to my local hobby shop. Found these. I probably could have got something better online for cheaper or whatever, but these looked really cool. Wanted to give them a shot, so that's what we're doing here.
So as you can see from that quick unboxing, this is 100% ready to run with all the batteries that you need for everything. And the audio on the first few clips is a little bit messed up, so I'm just going to talk over this part. But this thing is pretty fun. It's pretty quick for a little brush truck, and yeah, let's just see what this thing can do.
How's it going?
Pretty cool, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it for the battery. I think the battery's running out.
So it's definitely a fun little truck. I took it through the water and the mud, and it did just fine. Obviously, it's not going to do anything too deep or anything too crazy, but definitely fun to just kind of rip around a little bit. So now we definitely got to get cleaned up, so we're going to get it hosed down. I'm going to use this WD-40 electrical contact cleaner, specifically made for electronics. I use this on all my RC cars, I never have any issues. And then I'm going to use a plug-in blower just to kind of blow all the air and water and everything out. And then what we need to do after that is actually pop off the tires, which I should have done outside, but I completely forgot. So I'm just kind of showing that process too here in a second of cleaning out the tires. So you definitely want to make sure you do that outside because it's definitely going to trap water in there if you do go through any water. But they're pretty easy. You pop them off. The logo is on the outside of the tire, so as long as you put that same little part back on there, you just pop it back on the rim, and you're basically good to go.
Oh, hang on. Woo! Back up.
Say what you will about it being brushed and about it maybe not being the best deal you could possibly get, but these little things are fun, and that's really what matters. So, I mean, if you're looking for a starter RC, like I said before, that's got everything you want in the box. So it's got the controller, it's got the battery for the truck, it's got the battery for the controller, it's ready to run, ready to go. No setup process, really, no tweaking, none of that stuff. I don't know if you probably could find something better for cheaper, but like I said, again, this is one of those situations where you're walking into the hobby store, you don't really know what you want to get. You see this on the shelf, you're asking yourself, is this worth it? Is this a good deal? I think it is. I think it could be probably about 50 bucks less would be nice. But again, you're getting a lot for what you do spend. And I'm sure you could find this thing on sale. And there might even be a newer version of this. I haven't even looked that up, to be honest with you. But overall, I've got the wheels off here, obviously, the tires, but letting everything dry out. But yeah, it cleans up nice. Performs really good. It's super fun. It's pretty durable, even though this happened. But the reason this happened is because we drove it through extremely cold water, and then I chunked it up about. This thing is a ton of fun. I know it's brushed. I know it's smaller. It's a little pricey for what it is, but I had a ton of fun with this thing. I think it would actually rip at a skate park. It's not too fast where either way, definitely going to keep this one. I've got, like I said, I've got another one right here for my son as well. So he can play with it. So we can play with them together. And this little thing is super fun. So appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.